I'd like to dedicate this to all our strong mothers. Umatenya. Without y'all, there wouldn't be us. So we'd like to thank you.
Mula hiriyate dabbate yoom takka ati murate my long-time queen. I'm mean, you mean the world and more. Forever my heart is yours. Radato yadini hirarinara kuyan haman rako numadara.
Iotia, where would I be without you? On cloud nine, thinking I'm the illest around. But something else happened in the process. You kept me humble from my baby steps walking. So now I thank you for everything you did for me. It's cause of you that I'm about to make history. But none of the fans know about our misery. A long way since the childhood days. Cause now your baby boy is a grown man with a plan to change the fate of our nation. Remember getting calls from the police station? Court days was crazy in front of the judge. 3 days a week and you could barely speak. They took me away, tears dropping down your cheek. My heart broke, held my head. I'ma come right home, mommy. Yeah, I'ma come right home, mommy.